graph g of x equals log base 7 of x. First of all, let's replace g of x with y. So y equals log base 7 of x. And now let's write it as an exponential expression, which would be that x is equal to 7 raised to the power of y. Because now what we'll do is select values for y and calculate the corresponding x values. So for instance, if y were negative 2, then x would be 7 raised to the negative 2. And 7 to the negative 2 is 1 over 7 squared, or 1/49. Let's select y equals negative 1. Then x would be equal to 7 to the negative 1, which is 1 over 7, or in other words, 1/7. Selecting 0 for y, we'd have 7 raised to the power of 0, which is 1. If we select 1 for y, then we would have 7 to the 1, or 7, and 2 for y would be 7 squared, which is 49. Let's now plot these points, remembering that this refers to the y value. So when y is negative 2, the x value is 1/49. So I'm going to draw a little dot there. When y is negative 1, which would be here, negative 1, then the x value is 1/7, which is there. When y is 0, x is 1, so that's here. When y is 1, x is 7, that would be way out here. And I can't even draw on the graph in terms of my scale. When y is 2, x is 49. But we can see what's happening here. The graph comes up through these points and then heads out in that direction. That's the graph of a logarithm. Notice that the y-axis is a vertical asymptote.